Here in Kearney, we are located in the heart of the Central Valley, which is the main food basket of California. And we do here a full spectrum of research. This center is, I would call it like a farm clinic for the people here. So they come with their problems and we address it together in engagement, hand in hand, work researchers, advisory services, and farmers. And we get the feedback from farmers and how can we update and upgrade our research projects to make it more demand-driven than supply-driven.
We created the Vine Connect Field Day because we wanted to have a place to showcase technology in the locations around California where food actually grows.
The Vine Connect is bridging what growers need and what startup needs in one place. We've been hearing from industry and startups about their needs over the last few years, and from industry we've heard nobody's vetting this technology and they really need help figuring out what works, what's available, and they want access to it at a low cost and just to see it close to home.
Farmhand Ventures is working in close partnership with UCANR to deliver the Vine's Build and Connect programs. We are ultimately an impact investment firm that focuses on investing in and capitalizing through actually a variety of investment mechanisms that are well suited to the needs of agriculture, solutions for ag that center folks who do the work in ag. I'm a big believer in bringing tech to farmers and then making it accessible and focused on their actual problems.
California is such a great place to launch and test new AgTech innovations and solutions because we are the biggest ag producing state. And this is where the rubber hits the road. This is where we have the producers, we have the whole ecosystem built around ag technology here. Event like this is very important because it does expose the local ag industry to new technology that is up and coming, already on the market, and they get a chance to see how it works, ask questions, meet the ones that are developing it. For the ag tech companies as well to really talk with their potential customers, maybe getting new ideas on how to reiterate or make something better or change it, just get that better connection to the industry they're trying to sell their products into.
Yeah, my name is Brian Baumgartner. I'm the head of product at Bonsai Robotics, which is a vision-based agricultural technology company based out of San Jose and Davis. The Vine Connect Field Day is the right place to showcase our technology because it's doing a few things for us. One is it's got a really great location for us to actually put our technology into a field, test and show the technology, but show it in kind of its best form. The other reason is because the Vine has gone out of its way to bring a lot of growers to the event, bring a lot of personnel to see the event. So rather than us having to go around to multiple different farms and show off over a course of a number of days, we can do kind of everything in one go and set up those connections going forward.
I'm Tom Bowe, CEO of Amos Power, located in Cedar Falls, Iowa. We're a little old school at Amos Power. We feel the connecting with the growers is important. We think getting out and doing more word-of-mouth sales is a method of actually closing contracts with growers. If we don't come out and meet growers, we don't hear their challenges, we can't adjust our platform to meet their needs. And so it's very important for my team to get out to these growers events and meet actual growers that have problems.
My name is Jacob Nino. I'm one of the co-founder and the CEO of Axada. We specialize in applying advanced material product, everything that it's hard to apply on the field. That's usually cost a lot of money to the farmer. Most of the time, farmers on the field don't have the time to go and look for technology or look for solution that actually can help them on a day-to-day work. Most of the time, there is disconnection between the field and to the lab, and that's what allows us to do the direct connection and get that type of information to improve ourselves and to help them directly.
I'm Suma Reddy, the co-founder and CEO of Gather Agriculture. We build simplified robotic tools for farms and farm workers. The wheelbarrow hasn't changed in 2,000 years, so we thought about what would it mean to sort of reinvent transportation in the field. The distance oftentimes between the entrepreneur or technologist and the farm and farm worker can be really long and large. And so what something like Vine Connect does is it closes that gap.